Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. The time now is 3:58 p.m. Nigerian time or West African time. In this video, I want to show you my Bitcoin trading strategy that can make you double whatever amount you put in it in a short time. Now, on your screen, you can see Bitcoin is trading for 67,105.55 USD as at this time. Now, on the chart, I'm showing you a 5-year, the maximum duration for Bitcoin. That means what it started with and where it is now. When it started, it was less than zero. Later, it came to zero. Nobody was interested. This was in 2017. Bitcoin was trading for 1,700 US dollar. Later on, in that same 2017, by December, it went up to 13,000 US dollars. Then later on in the year 2019, Bitcoin was $8,000 per Bitcoin. Then later on, up to 2020, it was trading at $11,000. Then later, it moved in that 2020 to 2021 April 10. It moved to $58,000 to $60,000. Then it went down that same year in June. It came to $32,000. Then by the that same November that year and December, it went to $61,000. Everybody was shouting, "Wow, Bitcoin, Bitcoin!" Then halving took place. It went down to $22,000, and then that was in 2023 to $22,000. Then gradually in 2024, it started moving on the late period of 2023. Started moving. February 20, by March 2024, we had Bitcoin at 66,000, and everybody was shouting, "Wow, this is the highest we've seen so far." Then it ranged at that place up to September 7, 2024, and then from there it moved up to December 2024 to $94,000 and even to $100,000 and more. Then it came down again in April 2025, and then it shot up to 113, up to 111, and 120, 111, 113, 117, up to 122,000 US dollar to one Bitcoin by 4 October 2025. Now it came down in November 2025. It came down to 89,000, and then as of today we speak, today is the 18th day of February 2026. Bitcoin is trading at 7,105.55 US dollar. Now, the strategy I use in my forex trading is to watch for a overbought region and then to sell. And then I watch for an oversold region and then I will buy. And then this strategy, I used it throughout last year in trading my forex, and it has worked. This year, I've also used it, and it is still working for me. Now, in trading this, I want to advise you not to overtrade. What you do at this point, it has sold. It is the oversold region as at now. And then what you can do, if you have the means, is to position yourself now by buying Bitcoin. And then when you buy, you leave it open until it gets to the range of 100,000 US dollar. Then you can sell again. By that time, when you sell, you are going to make profit. Now you may be wondering, why will I get 67,000 US dollar? No, you don't need to get everything. What you are going to be buying is a fraction of the Bitcoin. So if it is 100,000 naira you have, you can use it. If you have 200,000, if you have 1 million naira, you can buy a fraction of the Bitcoin, and you can buy it directly on exchanges. You don't need anybody to buy it for you. Go on Bybit, go on other exchanges, and then you can buy and then you can sell. So this is in this chart, I'm showing you the maximum. I want to show you now the 5-year Bitcoin, and then this is the 1 year of Bitcoin. In the 1 year, you see it is downtrend. In the year to date, that means from this 2026, it is also downtrend, and on we have it. In the 6 months also, we have it as downtrend, and then if you look at it 1 month, it's downtrend. 5 days, it is still downtrend. But when we look at the 5-year and then the maximum, we see that it is not downtrend. But overall, Bitcoin is high now. I will continue after this. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So as I was saying, I'm looking at this is a daily chart for Bitcoin. This is the 5 days chart for Bitcoin. This is a 1 minute chart for Bitcoin. This is the 6 month chart for Bitcoin. This is January 1, 2026 to date, and then this is 1 year chart starting from February last year to February this year, and then this is a 5 year Bitcoin chart, and then this is the maximum. Bitcoin is not going down, down, down. It is still going to go up. So we are having what is referred to as retracement, and then we are also having some kind of correction, and then the trend is going to reverse again, and then it's going to go up again, and then going up is not going to stop at 120, which is read before. It is going to go up and beat up the previous high that it has formed, and then it is going to soar. Analysts have said that Bitcoin, after the halving that took place when it was $65,000, that was 2 years ago. Yes, about 2 years ago, the halving took place, and then they say it's going to. That was in 20. Yes, the halving took place in 2024. Yes, 2 years ago. So the analysts say that Bitcoin is going to go up to $200,000. And currently we reached the $100,000. It broke it. Everybody was thinking it would not break it. It broke it to the upside up to $122,000, and then currently it's trading at $67,000. So you can take advantage of this opportunity and buy as many Bitcoin as you want to buy, and then you can be able to smile to the bank in a few days. Even as I'm speaking to you now, the price is moving up. So if you have the means, you can buy now, and then you go to leave it for some months or up to a year, and then you'll be surprised at where it's going to go. So on this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline, and this is another one. I've said it now. This was how I said it those times when it was there, when it was here. I kept saying it, and this is where it is now. So let's join the wagon and let it move. Let's move together and get back to 100 and then beyond, and then we are going to be seeing 100, going to be 120, going to be seeing 140, 160, 180, and then 200, and then along the line we may have slight reversals, but ultimately it is going up and going up to where it is going. My name is Dr. Olugbemi. On this channel I teach you how to make money both online and offline. I have series of videos teaching you how to make money with forex trading and others, airdrops and other businesses that you can do. I want to plead with you that you take action on what I've just told you, because action takers are favored by the goddess of good luck. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, please tell me where you're watching from in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.